Hello everyone, today we are going to understand the concept of profit and losses. A profit is actually a gain that you get from the sale of something, while a loss is that actually the decrease, the loss you actually get from the sale of something. And there are actually two basic formulas that you need to know. The first one is how to get a profit. We get a profit is equals to the selling price minus the buying price, or you can call it the cost price. Some call it the buying price. That means if I buy an object maybe at 1,000 and then I sell it at 1,200, that means I'll get a profit actually of 200 because I've sold at a price that is more than what I bought it. So that means the opposite is actually a loss. If you get a negative here, you're actually getting a loss because it means what you've sold your commodity is actually cheaper than what you've bought it. You haven't made any money. That's the profit. Then the next one is what we call the percentage profit. So the formula for percentage profit is profit or loss over the cost price or the buying price times 100. Actually, in some books, they will try to tell you this is SP, which is the selling price, minus the cost price over the cost price times 100. These are actually the two formulas you need to know, and you just need to know the concept and be able to diverse and answer the rest of the questions. So let's see some questions here. Number one, they are saying, Ringe bought a scooter for $1,000 and spends $400 on its repairs. If he sells the scooter for $2,000, his gain is, so a gain is the same as the profit. So we first have to calculate the cost price, the actual price. So to get the cost price, we get the Ringe buys a scooter at $1,000. So he bought it at $1,000 and spends this on repairs. So this amount he also spends on repairs, we actually calculate it to also get the actual cost because it's the money he's spending. So it is 1,400. So that means that this is his actual cost price, the price at which he buys the good. It's not only this, but also the amount he spends in repairs adds on to the price he bought the commodity. And the selling price, he sold it at $2,000. So that means his profit will be the selling price minus the cost price. So the selling price here is $2,000 minus 1,400. So the difference here is 600. So actually he made some dollars of $600 from his purchase. So he actually made that profit. In case they had furthermore continued to ask you for the percentage profit, the percentage of the profit, so this would have been the profit, which is 600 over the cost price, 1,400 times 100, and you would get the answer. Next, they are telling us if selling price is doubled, the profit triples. Then they are saying find the percentage profit. So here, so this is actually very simple. Remember, we said our profit equals to the selling price minus the cost price. Are we together? So they've said if the selling price doubles, our selling price here has doubled, so it becomes 2SP. Are we together? And they've said here the profit will triple. The profit will triple. The profit will be 3 times 3 profit. If it triples, it becomes 3 times the profit. Are we together? But they haven't said anything about the cost price. So they want us to find the profit, find the profit percent. continue here.